everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. So let's go to the next question, which will be, if you could only buy from one brand, which brand would you choose? MAC. I will buy from MAC. It's like has everything: brushes, eyeshadows, like face stuff, lip stuff, everything. So one brand will be MAC. It's so amazing. At the same time, it's high-end brand but still affordable for high-end. So if I'm gonna buy everything from one brand, I'm gonna go for MAC. So yeah, this for this question. It's a really nice one. So let's go to the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.